Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers on Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Tarpon Point area. It's in the Southwest Cape Coral. The location, it's incredible. You have a beautiful entrance to the neighborhood. You have a city park that offers you a dog park, a butterfly garden, and trails. So it's very nice. It's all walking distance. Also, you're very close to Tarpon Point Marina, where you have restaurants and a beautiful marina, okay? Okay, so now let's go ahead and move in. Today's a beautiful day here in Cape Coral. Beautiful sky. Those homes across the street, they're all Gulf Access. That's nice. It's a beautiful sky. I mean, temperature, I'm telling you, today is hot. We're having a couple of days already with the temperature reaching the 90s, so it's nice and hot if you like it hot. But the good thing is the rainy season is around the corner and we can't wait for it to start. Okay, now let's go ahead and move into the house. Okay, we're in. Okay, as you come in, you have your dining room there and your living room over here. Okay, you have a den here on the right as you come in. Pretty nice size den. I think the owner's on his way out, because you're gonna see that there's furniture missing, so I think they're already moving out. That's why they have no decoration. So it's a pretty nice open. Nice, and you got the beautiful view of the pool as you come in. Now, when you walk over here to this side, you have the kitchen here to the left with a nice through window to the pool. I'll get to the kitchen later. Let's just show you this side of the house first. Here's a beautiful family room, humongous, nice size. Okay, and over here is your bathroom number one with the shower. And what's really unique here is that you have the laundry room right here. Okay, and actually inside over here is the garage. It's full of stuff, so I'm not going there, but there's a triple car garage. Okay, so you come in through the garage here, and you have your shower and your sink over here. Then this is the family room. You got a slider there that also leads you to the pool. Nice place to sit down and have breakfast. Okay, now we got this hallway over here. And we got restroom number two here, bathroom number two. Okay, let me turn on the light. Nice granite. Tub and a door to the pool. So this is a pool bath also. Now here to my right, you got bedroom number one. Nice size. Your closet over there in the corner. Moving right along. Over here you got bedroom number two. Also nice size. And over here, bedroom number three. So I think it's a little smaller than the other one. But the nice, you have the view to the pool from here. Okay, now let's continue. Another view of the family. And here's the kitchen. Nice granite countertop. What I really like about this is this window here. It's great. If you're having guests or you have kids, you could be, washing them and at the same time feeding them through the window. So it's very nice. Okay, now let's keep going. Got a nice three door slider over here. And this is the master. The master has a pretty big size, as you can see. You got room for a sofa. Okay, let me stand over here in the corner so you can visualize. Nice big area. Now we continue here. Got a closet over here, closet over there. And this is your master bathroom. It's a nice tub. This home offers a lot of space. So that's something nice about it. It has plenty of space. And also, like I said at the beginning, the location, it's awesome, okay? The location is great. You're close to everything here to, have fun. Okay, now let's go outside. You have a nice area to sit away from the sun. And the pool is beautiful. Look at that. Check it out. This is what Florida living is all about. You have a shower out here. And remember, you have the pool bath. That door there leads you to the bathroom. So if you have guests and they don't need to go inside the house wet. Something when you're buying a home, it's very important if you have a pool, because if not, they'll be walking all wet through your house if somebody needs to go to the bathroom, or they'll go in the bathroom in the pool. So you don't want that, right? Well, like I said at the beginning, if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us, 239-410-7372. Also, in the description below, you get the full report listing, the link. You just click on it and I'll give you all the information. And that way, if you're interested on it, you see the price and everything. I don't tend to say the price because prices tend to go up and down. And this video, I don't know how long it's going to be out there. So over here, let me show you this door here. It's a pocket door, so when you open it, it goes behind the wall, so this becomes like an open space. During winter, it's very nice because remember, right after, let's say, September, you could start opening up the house, to be in and out. Okay, so that's when it starts cooling off a little bit, but basically November, December, January, February, and May, and March, it will be awesome. Okay, so let's go inside. We're back inside the family room. It's very nice and spacious. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below if you want. I would like to hear from you. If you have anything in particular that you want to see about Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, also feel free to comment. I'm always open for your guys' input, so I could give you what you guys want. I'm working on a project right now that is going to show you a little more detailed what Cape Coral is about. I'm also planning to do some videos around Southwest Florida, so I'm working on it right now. So feel free to hit the subscribe button if you want to know more about this area and Cape Coral. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.